You didn't lose your path. You're in the return. There is a phase in the path that almost no one names correctly. It's not the beginning. It's not the collapse, and it's not the breakthrough. It's what comes after the movement, after the disruption, after everything you thought was stable isn't. This is the return, and it doesn't feel the way you expect. It doesn't feel like clarity. It doesn't feel like arrival. It feels like tension, because something in you has changed, but your life hasn't fully caught up yet. You start to see things differently, patterns, structures, how things actually work. What used to feel personal starts to reveal itself as structural. And at the same time, something deeper starts moving. Memories come back. Old emotions rise. People from the past show up in your mind. Not to pull you backward, but to complete something. This isn't regression, this is integration. And here's where most people make the mistake. They feel the pressure. And they rush to rebuild. They try to create stability as fast as possible. But this phase isn't about rebuilding what was. It's about building from what you've seen. This is where the path changes. From movement to authorship. You're not searching anymore. You're deciding what stays, what goes, what you carry forward. And this is why something new starts to emerge. The need for a base, not as a limitation, as a return point. A place where your mind can settle, where your thinking can organize, where insight becomes structure, because without that, everything stays scattered. But with it, something different happens. You begin to build, not just a life, but a way of moving through life. And this is the shift. You're no longer defined by survival. You're defined by selection. There's no real urgency here. Even if it feels like there is, because nothing important has been missed. What you've seen stays with you. What you've learned doesn't disappear. So the work becomes simple, not easy, but simple. Move slow enough to build something true. Move steady enough to keep momentum. Stay grounded enough that it holds. This is the return. And from here, you don't react anymore. You design.